AKS and ACR. What is the other thing you have said?
RG only. I have
Okay.
a requirement of resource group, AKS, and then I have requirement of ACR. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So here, both of you guys share your screen. Okay. Sanjay and British, share your screen.
Ravi, should I also provide that private and public key, SSH key, along with the Linux profile and network profile?
Let me see where you are.
Actually, I have copied the previous file one.
Yeah, show me your code. No, take it from there na.
Sorry?
Whatever you have code in Terraform, the container side, copy from there.
Okay.
No, we don't want that part to block. Okay.
Okay. Should we need that identity also?
You can keep. Sanjay, take the code from there. The history means Terraform history one website.
What is it? Actually, I used my previous code
Don't use the previous code. Take that one. Terraform history you
from
have.
registry.
Yeah, history only.
Ravi, for the container registry one, like the SKU should be premium or standard.
Keep anything premium standard. We'll
Okay.
we'll read that one. Okay. After
Okay.
make it premium. Okay.
Okay.
Leave that one, Sanjay. Okay. Now pass the variable, Sanjay. Fast. Do fast, Sanjay.
Um, what you said, Ravi?
I said let it be that identity one and do fast. Declare the variable, all the variables.
Okay. The output is required.
What you asking, Sanjay?
Output cluster.
Not required.
This
Not
one.
not required. Not required here.
Ravi,
Yeah, Sanjay.
for um, ACR, should I take this code or this one? Encryption one or
What you have searched on top? That one only. The first one.
first one or this
Yeah.
one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ravi, I think I'm done.
Okay.
Can you just check whether the my CR is done or not? Like, is there anything I should add?
ACR. No. I think you have done it. Yeah. Do the init part and all.
Is AKS okay, or should I add anything?
No, it's okay. Uh, in line number 10, 11, what was that previous one? You have added minimum count, maximum count.
For the node one, node number of
Yeah,
counts.
what was the
Sorry,
previous?
number
I
of counts.
I, I think it is some different now when you copied.
Yeah, it was just like a normal count, node count. Like,
Okay, okay, try to run that.
okay. Yeah, that was node count.
So they do fast. We have to do more task today. Today we have to see, that GitHub action pipeline. Then again we have to see that Argo CD one. Okay, so do fast. While it is creating, Bhreti, you do one thing. There is one code in my GitHub. Just fork it. ID is RK Ravi Chennai 7.
Okay. Let's
Chennai.
check
Yeah.
ACR.
Users. Yeah, click on that. One click on repositories. You go that channel path Python one, second one. Yeah.
Should I fork that? I mean, should I fork that one or should I
Just
clone that one?
fork it.
Okay.
Actually, we will do the pipeline in your GitHub action only. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, and from ChatGPT, you ask pipeline for pushing your image, Docker image, into ACR. For building and pushing image to ACR.
Is that okay?
Yeah. So that I ask you, na auto scaling enable you have to
Yeah.
do. So you have to change that code, whatever it was in previous.
Okay, like if we are putting that minimum and maximum count of nodes, we have to enable that block,
Yeah,
right?
enable auto scaling one.
Auto scaling block. Okay.
Copy this.
Okay.
Copy and paste it there. You have created now. Fork it now. Yeah, here only. Go to actions. Yeah, click on that blank one, and you have to paste it here. Okay. Now, uh, Sanjay, have you done that part?
Code one. This one.
Yeah, code one, ACR, AKS, and everything.
Yeah, let's check it.
Yeah, apply it, plan it. So everything you do have to do. Riti, AKS is created or not? Check once.
It is still on process, right?
Okay. Now you try to understand that code. Okay. Uh, I'll ask you. What is in?
Like, shall I change the ACR name here?
I'll tell you later what you have to change. Okay.
Okay.
First
Okay.
you have to. How can you change that ACR? ACR is created or not? I think it is
Not
created.
yet, I think so.
No, it is created. I think. Check check once in Azure login, Azure portal. Not that one. Click on resource group. Na, you can check it.
AKS is done, I think.
Okay, means ACR is not created. Okay, leave it now. Sanjay, put dependency there.
Yeah, okay, okay.
Riti, ACR is created or not?
Yeah, Ravi.
Yeah. Okay. Now Sanjay, you
Mm.
have done that part. Okay. If any error will come, you try to solve it. Okay. Now you focus on that Birati screen once.
Should I run this?
Yeah, you have to run. Okay. Yeah, now do Terraform apply, auto approve. Okay, now stop sharing your screen and let's see if any error will come. You have to rectify it. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now whose screen is there? Briti screen, na? Okay. Briti, just go for the line number 1. Okay, this is the pipeline name, that is build and push docker image to ACR. Sanjay, where from where she get that code? Just she gave a prompt to ChatGPT that GitHub actions. What prompt you have given, Briti? Let's show the Sanjay here. GitHub actions pipeline code for building and pushing an image to ACR in Azure. What we are going to do, Brati has pulled means fork a image from my repository, and we want to build a image, and it is automatically pushed to that ACR. Okay, what the ACR we have created right now there. So this is the pipeline for pushing the image to the our respective ACR what we have right now. So that is the first one is that name. Okay, and that is Briti, it may be, can you make it bigger, that font? Yeah, it's okay. Now it's okay, now it's okay. Okay, yeah. Now that is line number 3. Sanjay, we were giving now, and that from where our pipeline will get triggered, we have lots of option in GitHub. Okay, so
Yeah.
whenever any changes will happen in main branch, like we have some intention here, like on we having double space in push, again we have to inside branch is the child of that push one. Okay, so inside that branch we have main. Okay, so it have it whenever we have some changes in main branch, your pipeline will get automatically triggered. Okay, for that we have written this one. Now here we have to start from the jobs one. In Azure DevOps, what we have to do, we have to start from the stage 1. So we
Instructions.
have to start from the jobs one, and we given that jobs name, that is build and push, that name line number 9. And again the line number 10 is that runs on the agent one, what we have called there agent in Azure DevOps, what here we called as
Runner.
runner. Okay, and inside that what we have that checkout one. Okay, steps we have to write inside that job checkout one. So we have first step, that whatever the code is there, first it have to check out our code and all. And the second step was that ACR login. So before that what I will do, Prati, one environment is there at last. Yeah, you have to copy that environment and let the line number 39 to 41 copy it. And this is the line number 39. Yeah, this is the environment, whatever the environment we are going to create, we have to create it at top, and we have to mention in our code. Okay, action code. Now paste it inside job. This environment will come inside the job, and it is in a state of runs r. Yeah, paste it.
Should I remove this
Yeah,
one
yeah, remove
here?
that one. One space you have to give. I think it is not in a state to r. Select select everything there, select everything. Yeah, now put enter. Yeah, now it's okay. Now you have to give that ACR name. So where you got the ACR name, you have created ACR, so you have to give that name. Okay Sanjay, whatever the ACR you will create, you have to give that name. Then you have to give the that app name. Okay, so don't give here app name. We will give that login server name. Okay, ACR underscore login underscore server. You create one variable. Erase that line, full line, Briti. Yeah, ACR, you have to write in capital letter ACR underscore login underscore server colon, and you have to give space, and you have to take that server name. Where you will get that server name? Go to Azure portal and open your ACR, and in overview section only you can get the login server name on right hand side. Yeah, copy that one and paste over here. Yeah, that is the server name. Again we will use one environment, that is image name. Put enter and give image underscore name. There only we are going to create environmental only. Yeah, put enter. Yeah, give image underscore name colon, and you have to give the name, what image you want to give, image name. Try to give in a small letter. Always you try to Ubuntu latest, why you will give? You are going to create your custom image, so you have to give your name.
Okay.
That is, you have fork na, that custom image you are going to create. Yeah, that is Brethi. Now you have to give that tag one. Again you create environmental image underscore tag. That is give v1. Right now you give v1. Yeah, now you have done with that environmental part. Okay Sanjay, any doubt till here? We are going to use this environment in our code later. Okay,
Ravi, this image name Riddhi was where it is in Docker Hub.
No, we are creating our own image,
uh,
like we are building our own customized image.
we are going to actually, Brethi has forked one code. Brethi, duplicate it, duplicate this tab. Now show the code, go to code. Yeah, here Brethi has taken a code. Okay, Brethi have one code, and Brethi is going to create a image. Okay, and she is going to push that image to her ACR. Okay, whatever she created. Now
Okay.
now got the point.
Yeah.
Yeah, custom image, she is going to create the
Custom.
her custom image. Okay, and she given the name, that is Birati, and tag name is v1. So now steps. The first step is correct, Birati. You don't have to don't need to change anything here. Okay, now what you have to do, the login one, Azure login. You have deleted the market space now there.
I have done nothing here.
On right hand side there is a market space,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
marketplace.
I'll just open this.
Yeah, now that go for Azure login. Azure login to, yeah, second one, yeah, first one. Now click on that. Yeah, copy that and paste over here.
Shall I remove this one?
Yeah, you remove that part. 24 to 27, you remove that one. Correct the indentation and all. Okay, here. backspace, put backspace. Yeah. Now select line number 25 to end of that code, 44. Yeah. Put, now put tab. Okay, Sanjay, from tab it will go forward, or if you press shift plus tab,
Yeah, yeah.
if you press shift plus tab it will go backward. Okay, tab means forward, shift plus tab means backward. Now Breti, you have to give three credential, like you have to give client id, you have to give tenant id and subscription id. Rest you have to delete all the things. Client id, tenant id, subscription id, you keep three and delete all the things. This is not the right way to log in into your Azure one. Okay, you have to give everything in that secret one.
Yeah.
Also delete that the first part, first line, what was that, creates one, 28 number line. Yeah. Now create your service principal there and give the detail here. In Azure portal you have to create.
In the Azure portal itself.
Yeah, Azure
Okay.
portal you have to create app registration there. The same process what we are doing there na, Azure DevOps, you have to do the same. You have to give the authorization of that service principal. Yeah, click on that. Register.
Yeah, I have clicked that one.
Okay, now copy all the things, client id, tenant id, and give there. There is no client id in
Yeah,
that
I'm
one.
just checking. I'm just
Okay.
checking with it.
Delete your that optional, you have to delete that code is there. Optional one at end, optional was inserted. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, now you have to create the OIDC, means authorization one there. You have to first give the authorization to that service principal what you have created right now. Subscription you have to go, at subscription level you have to give some role. Give add their option there na, how you are giving, you forget na. Yeah.
I'm not like that. Yeah, I'm just getting confused.
Okay, Sanjay, are you getting na what we are doing?
Yeah,
Dear privilege, contributor, then next, then you have to select your service principal. What name you have given? Brew, BRU I think given. Not that. Brew app you have created na. It is brew, I remember that name. BRU. Look, that app is created. Now delete that guest one, you delete that one. Yeah. Now you given the role. Okay, now come to that your GitHub one. You have to again you give workload identity federation, you have to create it. Go there. Yeah, Azure portal one only. Sanjay, how to create workload identity federation guide Birati.
Workload identity.
Yeah, I have to give access to GitHub one so that it can authenticate our service principal.
Add role.
Where it was Birati?
In the Azure DevOps only.
No, that enter ID only. Go to enter ID.
Okay.
Click on that your app registration. Previous thing you are forgetting, I think. View all applications in the directory. What application you have created? No, you have to go for that. Yeah, click on that and add a certificate or secret. Yeah, there only we are
Yeah.
creating our
We are I'm
Uh,
federated.
getting confused. I'm sorry.
Yeah,
you try secret.
not client secret. Yeah, click on that. Add credential. While we are connecting with Azure DevOps, we have to select that other user. But now we are connect. Now we are connecting
GitHub,
with
GitHub.
GitHub, so we have to select the GitHub. Now you have to give the organization name. So which one is your organization name for GitHub? That is Bhrati 1931. Bhrati 1931 is your organization ID. B capital.
GitHub account ID.
Yeah, B is capital, I think. 1931 only. 2 is not there. 2 is there. Bhrati, check once.
No, 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 no,
Okay,
no.
okay. Now give the repository name. What is the repository name?
Check it out.
Copy it, paste it. Entity type branch. Which branch? Main branch. Value is main. Any doubt, Sanjay, here?
No, no.
Now give the name of that federated credential. Any name you can give.
Uh,
Add. Yeah, now you have created the federated credential now. Okay. Now go there in GitHub action. Now you don't forget, na, Sanjay, Birati.
yeah, Ravi.
Yeah. Now come to that ACR one. Okay, so we have to log in into ACR. So that name is correct. Azure Container Registry login. Run. What you have to do? AZ ACR login is good. Now you have to give the environment name there. Okay, that you give ACR name only. Actually, erase that braces one. Okay, if you have provided in secret, na, then only you have to put the braces, curly braces, double curly braces. Erase that one.
Along with the dollar symbol
No,
also.
no, no. Dollar symbol it required. Only you write. Not that. You have already passed with the variable, na. So you have to give the variable name only here. ACR underscore name. ACR underscore name. Capital letter. Capital letter. Capital letter. Sanjay, you got that point? Actually, we have already passed with the variable name. That is ACR name. At top. So again, Birati, you saw that one here. Brew ACR is passed with variable name, that is ACR underscore name. So wherever we have to put that brew ACR, we have to put ACR underscore name.
Yeah.
So that we have created a variable, okay, environmental variable, okay.
Yeah.
Now you can log in into your ACR. So what you have to do now again you have to name build and push Docker image. So you have to run and Docker image. Erase that line number 42, not required. Yeah, Docker build is a good one. Okay, now you have to give image name, and image name is with the same name. Okay, and you have to give the tag name slash colon, you give tag name, image capital letter image underscore tag. Sanjay, here any doubt? Sanjay,
No, Ravi.
yeah, erase that
No,
line,
Ravi.
line number 43. We don't require that one. Yeah, now copy that code again, that one, 40 to 42. Copy that one. You give that name as a build docker image. Again we will again we are going to write not here, Birati, that line only. That line number 40, you given name as build and push docker image. So you have to erase that push one. You keep it build docker image only. Delete that push one. Yeah. Now copy that code, line number 40 to 42, and paste in line number 43. Copy and paste in line number 43. Push docker image. So how you will push that docker image? Okay,
By
first
changing the tag.
tag.
By
So
changing the
you
tag name.
give that name as tag docker image for ACR. You write line number 43, name as tag docker image for ACR. Tag docker image for ACR. So how you will give the tag in docker for the Docker Hub? Yeah, docker image tag. Then you have to give the image name along with your image tag. Dollar, you have to give dollar.
Yeah, I have given the whole thing.
Colon, after colon you have to put dollar. Yeah. Now give space. Now you have to, while you are uploading, Sanjay, while you are pushing your image to Docker Hub, so what you have to give as
Docker
tag?
push
Um, Docker.
latest.
No, while changing the tag, what you have to give extra, what you have to give? What, Birati, what we have to provide?
Username of a
Username.
Docker Hub.
We have to provide the username while we are giving the tag. So you have to give here, you are going to push your to ACR. So wait, Birati, you have to give that your ACR server name. Okay, and you have passed with that variable, so you have to provide the variable one only, ACR login server. You put dollar at starting. Yeah, slash, and you have to copy that one, image name, image tag. Sanjay, any doubt here?
No, Ravi.
Good. Now erase that line, Brati, line number 5, we don't require it. Now try to run that pipeline. Commit it. It will automatically run your pipeline.
No need of this output one.
No, not required output. Now commit it. Commit changes, and you can check at actions. Your pipeline is, I think, running. Yeah, click on that. You got the error. Let me see your error, Birti. Failed to fetch federated token from GitHub. Write permission to ID token in the workflow. Okay. Uh, you go and ChatGPT and ask for permission required. Give the permission, or you Google it. Actually, some permission has to give. Okay. Yeah, that one permission. That permission from here permissions. Yeah, copy it and paste over there. Here left hand side. Directly left hand side workflow is option is there. Workflow file. Yeah, click on that and put edit, and you have to give on in state of J or O of on. After main you give in line number 8. Yeah, put like you gave here. Yeah, yeah. It should be straight to J. Okay. Two space only you give. Two space. Okay, now commit it. While it is running, you create one that VM. Breath, you create one VM of any 8 GB RAM or 4 GB RAM. 8 GB RAM you create. Sanjay, any doubt? No doubt, na? Birati?
Yeah, right.
No, Robin.
Okay.
Is that in the same location? I mean,
No,
region?
change the location. Change the location. This is separate work we are doing.
What we say, Ravi, that variable, local variable
Which one?
in YAML one.
Yeah, that is for the local one. Means whatever we can use that variable, in secret one. There is option in GitHub. I showed you, yesterday. Secret and variable was there.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
while you are using there that secret and variable, you have to use double braces there. And if you are using there only, again it gave fail, na? Login was done. Check the login first. Here pipeline only. Azure login was done, na? That step.
The Docker login is not done. Azure login is done, I think. Yeah.
Yeah, Azure login done. ACL
Only the
login.
Docker login is not done.
Docker login. Docker building is there, na? Image
Yeah.
going to build. So what was that?
Failure to solve, fail to compute catch key, fail to calculate checksum of reference.
Okay, give it to ChatGPT. Requirement.txt is not able to fetch. Why?
There is no app.
While giving to ChatGPT, you just open your Docker file.
Where is that?
Here only GitHub Actions. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm searching for that one.
Now comes to that Docker Hub. Docker one. Yeah.
I think there is no requirements dot text. Okay.
Not there. Requirement.txt.
No, I have searched for that. There is no requirement.txt file here.
Okay. Means requirement.txt you have to give. Okay, create one requirement.txt file. What are the requirement things we can give?
Shall I add here itself?
Yeah, here only. Okay, create one file, Jyoti.
I'm not knowing like what I have to give in the requirement.txt. That's why I'm just fetching for that.
Okay, you have to write django and tz data. You have to write two things. Django means D capital and tz data. You create one
Cool.
file. Click on that.
Yeah, I have.
Requirement.txt and Django spelling is correct. Now you have to write second one is tz data. Tz data.
Is that
Small,
correct one?
small, small, small letter only.
Is that okay?
Yeah. Save it. Commit it. So whenever you committed anything, your pipeline will automatically run it. Sanjay, you are seeing now. Any
Yeah, Ravi.
changes you will do, a full stop you change, your pipeline will run.
In the main branch.
Yeah. Now check your VM is created or not.
Like, is that okay for 4 GB RAM or
8
8 GB
GB,
RAM?
8 GB RAM you take. We want some fast VM.
I think that there is no.
Take na.
Okay.
Okay. Change the region. Change the region.
Yeah.
South India. nahi, take Central India. Central India is rich, you know, compared to West India and South India.
Okay. I think there is no 8 GB. Well,
it, it, it is poor, I think. Go for South India. Check once 8 GB RAM available in a VM or not.
No, okay,
Okay,
I'll
take
go with the
take.
East US.
Okay, take it.
Right?
Okay, take 4 GB. No, 4 GB RAM. Not issue.
It's 4 GB only.
Yeah.
Should I create the password one or if which public key is enough?
Password one only. Check once pipeline. What happened to your pipeline?
It is actually successfully done. Here's the green color tick
Oh
mark.
yeah. Okay. Now check your ACR. Check your ACR once again.
I'm sorry, suddenly.
Hmm. Sanjay, in ACR, where we have to go to check that image? That is not ACR, Jyoti. ACR symbol is different.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, you have to go to where you we have to go, Sanjay. Can you guess it,
Um,
Briti? You have to guess it. Okay, and single click you have to open.
Okay.
That is already opened. That
Okay. And the tags one, I feel
no,
so.
it is in only the settings, services, repository permissions, policies, monitoring, automation, help. These are the extension. Okay,
Service
yeah, services you have the repositories.
repositories.
Okay, but
Services.
you don't have any images here. Go to settings. Pipeline was successful. Check it once again.
Yeah.
Click
I
on that.
think only. Yeah. Everything is successfully done.
Click on that tag Docker. Yeah, click on that. Yeah, click on that post Azure login. Okay, ACR name. Choose V1. Push one till tag was there. Where is the push
No, we
one?
haven't. Okay.
Okay, we do we not given the push one. Docker push Docker image for ACR to ACR. Push Docker image to ACR. Two. You write in the place of for you write two. Yeah. What is that command? Yeah, Docker push, and you have to give that one. Good. Now commit it. Now connect your AKS. Okay, when your VM is created now,
Actually, I
not
have
created.
clicked this one.
Yeah, change the size.
Yeah, the pipeline is successfully done.
Now check your ACR. Click on that and refresh it. Okay. Now image is available.
This inactive.
Okay, you also got the tag v1. Now connect your AKS in your local with your local machine. Third command, you already log in na, you have to go for that one. Next one, Azure AKS. Yeah, second one means, yeah, click on that. Now you have done that part. Now you can check it. kubectl get. Okay, you have right now. Now what we have to do now, we will go for the deployment one and services one. You write the deployment one. You open in VS Code. Yeah, create a file there, deployment.yaml. You create na here from file one only.
Actually, it is a window machine now, so it can't understand the Linux font.
Hmm.
Sorry.
It's a window machine now.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Deployment.yaml, service.yaml. Yeah, write the code, take the code from ChatGPT and write and mention your deployment with replica one. Yeah, take one by one. Okay, do one thing, Birati, go to deployment.yaml. Yeah, replica, do one, change the image name. Not that image name, your ACR image name you have to give here.
Yeah, that is what I have.
You have to put that server name also, no?
Is that okay?
Uh, that Birati is not required. The second one Birati, for what purpose? Give slash. Yeah, now
This is the image.
yeah, okay. Now delete all the part resources. Yeah. And check the docker file, which port it was mentioned. I think 5000 or 3000 there.
It's 8,000.
8000 na? Yeah, you expose that one. In service.yaml, it's okay, no error is there. I think go on service svc.yaml. Yeah, now change that port. Node port, you remove that one. Type you give load balancer. Yeah, it came load balancer. Yeah, my app services. Now it's okay. Now check your VM is ready or not.
Yeah, it is done.
Now connect it. You given wrong password or?
No, I think it is taking time to connect. Yeah, it is connected.
Yeah. Now go to my repository once. I'll show you one or two script, okay, PowerShell script, so that you can also aware of that. Power script, bash script. Go to my GitHub repository. Go to my repo. Click on that archive chain 7. Here inside. Yeah, at top only. Yeah, click on repository. Yeah, that is install docker kind kubectl, that one, the fourth one. Yeah, here some file is there, okay. Click on install.sh. Here full script is written. If you will run this script, it will work, okay. Now go there in your VM, write install dot vim install dot sh. Okay, and paste that file. First docker one, click on docker one.
Yeah.
No, there only. Yeah, paste it there. Yeah, paste it. Control V is not working.
Not even control V and not another keywords also. It is not able to paste.
Okay, close that.
I control shift and V.
What is that? Control Shift and V?
Yes.
No, it is set like visual block.
Put escape.
Yeah.
Now save it. Sanjay, yeah, once you go with the top, this is top, na?
Yeah. 1 second. Okay.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
same thing. It is written here. Okay, like installing Docker, apt get update, like that. Everything is written here. The sudo user mode, like that is
Yeah.
written. Okay. Now save it. Come out and make it executable. That file. What is that command for executable one? Chmod.
chmod
Sx
for
used.
permission, right?
Yeah, that permission you have to give. +X and give that file name. That file name install.sh space install.sh. Yeah. Now you run that one dot slash install.sh. Don't give space.
Yeah. I can never go.
So in single click, what it happen? Docker is going to install, kubectl is going to install, and kind is going to install. Okay.
Okay.
Go to there, Virati, and search for Argo CD install. Google, search it. Google it. Yeah, that is getting started. Argo CD. Yeah. Any idea of that? What is that Argo CD?
No, right.
Creating a cluster.
No. Actually, we are managing our cluster there only, na? Like AKS or whatever we have. It is that declarative GitOps tool. Okay, for continuous deployment. Okay.
Okay.
Look here. Why Argo CD? From top you go. There
Are
only.
you?
You are doing 3 works together. Okay, Argo CD, that scripting
No,
one.
okay. That's why my screen is doing like this.
Okay, that is what is Argo CD means. Argo CD is a declarative GitOps continuous delivery tool for Kubernetes. Okay, whatever we have, how many application we have, we can manage it through Argo CD one. Okay, and why we choose that Argo CD? That is written simply here. That is application definitions, configurations, environments should be declarative and version controlled here only. Means whatever, if you have we can say that if you have changes anything like we have changed na in GitHub Actions. Any file, if you have changed any deployment file, any service file, it will automatically fetched by Argo CD. And it all means there is option in Argo CD that it auto sync or manual sync is option is there, so it automatically sync if you have chosen that options. Okay, so we have to install that Argo CD one. First you have to push that code to your GitHub one. You do docker version check, Griffin. Docker images, kubectl version, kubectl. Okay, it is non-install. Again you have to run that command dot slash up arrow you give no up arrow.
It is not taking actually.
Okay, give dot slash install dot sh. Again you give. Okay, now you do that kubectl version. Now everything is seeing. Okay, kind version, kubectl version, it is available right now. Kind is also installed. Okay, so we can go for this script. Okay, whenever we required for automation and all, we have to write some script for automations, like no one is going to do manually. Okay, so wherever we required that installing Docker everything, we have to go for this scripting work and all. Okay, so now we have to install our Argo CD one. So what we have to do,
Now we have to create the namespace.
yeah, you have to create the first namespace, copy first command, not here, you have to run in that VS code. Okay, Argo CD namespace is created. Now again go for the second one. Now you have to download Argo CD CLI, as we have na Azure CLI, AWS CLI. We have to download that Azure sorry, Argo CD CLI. Click on that, Briti, that one link was there na. Yeah, click on that.
Yes, yeah, okay. What is this HE and non-HE?
Any changes there? Check it.
No. Yeah, here only HA is mentioned.
Scroll down. Yeah, take the Windows one. Windows one. You have Windows now. Take that Argo City Windows. Is it downloaded or not?
Okay. There's no storage for my.
Okay. So you have VM now. You go there and download there. You change that connection. You have your connection there now. K8s Kubernetes. Go connect Kubernetes one. There with the Kubernetes. Where is your Kubernetes? AKS.
Here itself. This is
No, no,
my
no.
Kubernetes.
Kubernetes. Where is your AKS? Go AKS. Yeah, click on that. Copy one. Copy it. First, you have to do Azure CLI login. You have to install Azure. Not there, not there. Brati, that VM I am asking. In VM, install Azure CLI there. Yeah, here install. Go to Google and ask how to install Azure CLI in Ubuntu machine. Not on Windows, Ubuntu. That is your Ubuntu, na? Yeah, click that.
it's done.
Yeah, now login. Yeah, put one and enter. Yeah, now connect that one. AKS here. You have to push that code, Birati. You have na that code. You have to push in your GitHub one. The same repository you push. You do one thing. No, no. There you have na. Open that your repository one.
This one,
Not what you have fork na that one. Yeah, that one only.
title one.
Yeah, click on code, and you have to first you have to clone this. Yeah, you have written na YAML file there. You have to clone there. Not there, Birati. That one you have written already deployment and service.yaml file.
Okay, I think Git is not there in my system.
Okay, do one thing. Create deployment.yaml file there in your VM and copy all the code in there only. Yeah, you do vim deployment.yaml or vim service.yaml. Sanjay, what we are doing? You are getting now.
Yeah, that's it.
Today evening you have to do. Okay, this one. I will call you at 9.
Yeah, okay, Ravi.
Okay, now you do ls. You have to file na.
Yeah.
Okay.
Shall I apply that one?
No, no. You do one thing. You have to create one file. Work dir. You do mkdir here, na? Yeah. Create one folder, manifest file, manifest folder, manifests. Yeah. Now you have to move that file there. SBC and deployment one. For moving, what is the command, Sanjay?
What you said again?
I want to move that file.
Which file? Manifest.
Deployment.yaml and service.yaml in that manifest directory.
Manifest.
Yeah.
MV.
Sorry.
MV. And that file name deployment.yml and service.yaml, svc.yaml, and the manifest, right? Manifest. Yeah. Enter.
Yeah. Now go to there, manifest one.
ls.
Okay.
Yeah.
It is moved, na? Good. Now what we have to do? Now you clone here. Git clone. Now you do ls. Now again, Sanjay, you have to move that file deployment.yaml and service.yaml to chattel dash python. You have to move that file. How we can
Same
do?
command. Press up arrow. Yeah, just move the directory name. Space.
Now go into that file. Yeah. Now you add git add space dot git commit minus m remove any message. You have to log in first.
No, they actually
Git push you do git push. Now you give username Reki1931, I think. You have to create that pat one here. You give the ID and you have to give the pat one while you are asking, while that is asking for password. You go in GitHub, create pat, setting. No, not there. At last there is developer mode is there. Developer setting, that is personal access token classic, generate new token. Sanjay, you got now how to generate token?
Yeah,
Now you do git push. Give your ID. Now paste that token. You have to paste once. Why it is denying? uh, this token has expired, it is written, I think. Or what was that token? Oh, that is token is expired. Okay, give it. Okay, we have another option. Yeah, give it. Try to. Create new token. Create new token. Generate new token. You have to check, Birati. Their check option was there, na? While creating generate new token. Classic. Yeah, right. Some name. And you have to check that repo one. Okay, the first one. Repo first. Yeah, check it. The first one, top one. It will get out. Check. Yeah. Workflow not required. Yeah, click. Now generate it. Okay, now check your code. Okay, that is not required. You stop that one. Cancel workflow. Cancel it. We are going to now check code there. Click on code. Cancel it. Cancel it. We have manifest file there or not? It not came. Why? Okay, do one thing. Create file folder here. You later you push that code. Okay, add a file.
But here the files were added here.
Okay, it came now. Okay, okay. Then okay. Then okay. It's okay. Now come to that Argo CD one. Try to configure it in your VM. In your VM only. Yeah, go step by step. Where was Argo?
The Argo CD for what purpose we will use?
I told you no. That is a GitOps tool. Okay, for continuous delivery. Means we don't need to manage Kubernetes cluster and pods over there. Okay, in open we have there the tools, that is GitOps tools, and whenever any changes is there, okay, in deployment file, in service.yaml file, or any
Yeah,
file, okay, in Grace or anything, so it automatically sync that to Argo CD1. Okay, and according to the your changes, it changes the pod one, pod or cluster or whatever it is. Okay.
yeah, okay, Ravi.
Yeah. Yeah, again search it, Briti. Not issue. Argo CD startup. We are starting. Yeah, getting started. Argo CD. Open that official site only. Yeah, that one only. Install it fast. Fast you do the first part, second part. Copy it together. You copy it. Close that window. Not required. That window not required. Close that one.
In Windows itself, I had to do that.
No, no, no. That only. VM only.
Actually, we isn't working here. I'll just log in again.
Yeah, you log in it.
I think this is not working.
Okay. Tomorrow we'll do. Okay. You try to configure your Argo CD1. Okay, Sanjay. Yeah, you
Yeah,
have to follow the steps only. What steps is there na? You Briti show me that Argo CD is getting started. Yeah, you have to install that Argo CD1. Then you have to install your Argo CD CLI. Okay, and then come for the next one. Not required. Don't go for that. Yeah, then you have to expose that one. Okay, and before exposing, you have to do that one Argo CD admin initial password. That one you have to expose. Before expose, you have to get the password.
yeah.
Yeah, okay, Ravi.
Okay, so you can do that. Not a issue.
Yeah, okay, okay.
And you have to write username as admin, and you will get password there. While you are inserting that CLI command na, you will get that password there only. Okay, tomorrow we will do from starting only. Okay, see you.
Okay, Ravi.
Yeah,
Yeah,
okay,
do
okay.
practice. Okay, Sanjay.
Yeah, okay, Ravi.
Yeah, okay, thank you.